The most common question we get asked in our conferences is how to attract external equity capital. In other words, how do I get venture capital? There are a few different elements to this. First, what do investors look for? Interestingly, investors largely look for businesses that will create a lot of economic value. And from our discussion earlier, we already know what drives value creation. A strong customer proposition, scale, profitability, defensibility, and strong governance. VCs are looking for exactly these factors. There are minor nuances to it. For example, VCs ultimately want a capital exit, and hence they may think about who the potential acquirers of the business are. However, if you have thought through the value creation elements, you are already on your way to convincing investors about it. Most investors will also emphasize on the quality of the founding team. This emphasis arises out of the early stage nature of the business, where other indicators of a valuable business might still be fluid. What is a great team? It incorporates elements of passion, ability to work together, problem solving at scale, relevant skill sets, and an agile mindset. More on this in later modules. Second, investors look for the right fit. The rule of sales is to focus on right prospects, and the same applies to venture capital fundraisers. If you embark on a fundraise, it is important to understand the business of venture capital. How do VCs make money? This can depend on the size of fund, their focus area, their objectives and investor profile, and many such factors. We will dive into this in more detail at a later point. Currently, it suffices to say that ascertaining your fit with the prospective investors will save you a lot of time and heartburn down the road. Third, the pitch and the process. Any great product needs to be sold well. The same is true of founders who are pitching their startups to an investor. Remember, this is a sales process. The pitch must cover all the salient points around how the company will create value for investors. Yes, we've already gone through the key elements above. The pitch must also inspire credibility in the team and the opportunity, be it by the way of their relevant backgrounds or because of the insights and approach they have on the market. In some sense, at an early stage, you don't really have a product ready. You are the product. Beyond the pitch, a venture fundraise process spans a few months, and it is important that entrepreneurs understand how to navigate it. It also involves a fair bit of technicalities around term sheets and agreements. In our following modules, we will cover those aspects in more detail.